Oh, for sure. So, I mean, the biggest thing about this partnership is that when you go into a contact center and you go into that environment, Avaya is embedded into that environment. It's built into everything they do. So the CMS reporting not only drives the call center results, but it feeds into everything from agent compensation, how people are promoted, shift bids, all of that stuff is built on the back of CMS reporting. Before this integration, Afiniti would come in and we would create this massive change in the contact center, meaning that we would drive up save rates or drive up conversion or improve these results. But one of the side effects was that we would effectively break the CMS reports. We'd have to go back in later and effectively correct the reports. That was a huge problem operationally for people, right? So people would look at that and say, you know, no matter how big the gain is, no matter how valuable this is, I can't live with you breaking my CMS reports. So just the fact that it's fully integrated and we have the ability to get the gain and keep the reports that people know and love and trust, it's just huge for us.